This is the best method on how to create the screen pop effect in DaVinci Resolve. Welcome everyone. Once you have your clip in the timeline, first you need to find the spot where you would like to add the screen pop effect. I already marked them, so we are going to head there, select our clip, and go to the Inspector panel. In the Transform category, we create a keyframe in the Zoom option. We can increase this one from 1 to 1.150. Next, we click the option that allows us to see the keyframes in the timeline. Then, we move a couple of frames back and create another keyframe that keeps the original size, back to 1. We copy this frame and repeat it 2 frames after the one with the zoom. That's how we create our first screen pump. Now we can copy these keyframes by selecting them, pressing Ctrl and C or Command C if you have a Mac, and paste them in the other parts that we desire to have the screen pop effect. Now, to include that blur effect in the pump, our next step is to look for the zoom blur effect in Open Effects and drag it into our clip. We repeat the same process by setting the middle keyframe to be higher by keeping it at 0.400 and the other 2 keyframes to be neutral by setting them to 0. After making one pump with the zoom blur effect, you can create more copies by opening the display option in the timeline, selecting the parameters of the zoom blur effect, then selecting the group of keyframes and holding Alt and dragging them to your desired location. Repeat this step as many times necessary. Now, you can personalize some of the pumps by increasing the zoom amount in the video panel or the zoom blur amount in your effects panel. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like so it can assist others to find this video. And if you're curious on how to remove the background from your footage, consider watching this video.